fire truck. What's a fire truck doing here?
Well, Nick, you wanted me to show everyone what's so great about the U-Box system. So I thought I'd bring a little help. Well, Nick, before I show you my fire truck demo we have coming up, and to prove it stays dry inside, I've put a bunch of furniture pads all over the inside of the box. And just to make things a little bit more interesting, I brought some valuables from home.
Yeah, is that your wife's wedding dress?
I have faith in the integrity of the U-Box container, Nicholas, and so should you.
All right, well, I mean, nobody would want any of this stuff getting wet, so let's lock it up, seal it, and prove it.
It's ready to go. All right, so the plan here is to throw a bunch of water on top of this U-Box container. Let's make it rain.
Yeah, give it the go, Captain.
Let's fire up the pump.
Okay, JR, this is the moment of truth. Let's crack it open.
Do the honors, my friend. Take a look. Dry, dry, dry. I'm still married.
Everything, the baseball cards, the guitar, the blankets, not a drop.
Everything is dry, just as expected. That's exactly what I was looking for. Nothing, it's all dry.
So there you go. U-Box by U-Haul for a dry, safe, and secure move. It's always the right move. Thanks, JR.
Anytime.